Good morning, class 7th student. Now, further continue chapter number 2 of computer part 3, working with the control panel. What is control panel? Control panel is a system folder which can be used to make change in the appearance and the current setting of the window. Whatever change you want to make into your current setting of window, you can make with the control panel, and it is a folder. These changes may include the following. Now, whatever the different changes which we can do in using the control panel are: first, system and security changes we can do. Network and internet changes we can do in control panel. Appearance and personalization, user count and family safety, hardware software setup, clock language and region setting. These setting control almost everything that relate to window appearance and functioning. So these are the different settings which are there in which are related to window appearance and the functioning. You can see this sort of screen will come when you open the control panel. Now these enable us to set up the window in the way we want. Using these settings, changing the settings from the control panel, we can set up the window as the way we want. There are two way we can open the control panel. Now there are two way that we can open the control panel. First is go to start menu and open the control panel option from the right pane. When you will go to the start menu, so you will can open the control panel option from the right pane, or you can open my computer from your computer desktop screen and click on the control panel in the toolbar, and you can also select control panel from the my computer option. So these are the two way in which you can open the control panel and make changes in your windows. Now first of all, changing date and time. Suppose your time got wrong in your system clock, computer clock, so you can change it. How we can change the computer date and time using this option. When we click on date and time option in the control panel, a date time dialog box will appear. When you will click on the date and time option in the control panel, when you will select this option from the control panel, date and time, so there will be one dialog box will appear in front of you. The date and time tab will be selected by default. By default the date and time will be selected. You can see the dialog box, this sort of dialog box will appear when you will open the control panel and you will select date and time. Now changing the date, how you are going to change the date? Click on change date and time. See, this option is there, click change date and time. So you have to select on change date and time. A date and time setting dialog box will appear. Again same, a date and time setting dialog box will appear. Select the current date in the calendar displayed. Now select the current date, which is the current date of your as per the calendar displayed. You can navigate in the month by using forward and backward arrow. You can set the date by just going forward and backward using the arrow. Click on OK when done. When you have completely changed your date, click on done and it will be done. Next is changing the time. Changing its time is also like changing the date. In order to change the hour, select the hour in the text box. Just select the hour, whatever you want to change. You can click on the adjacent arrows to increase or decrease. You can also click on the arrow and you can increase or decrease the time. The same setting is there as you have done in your mobile phone. As you change the time of your mobile phone, time and date, same setting is there in control panel to change the date and time. Adjust the minute and second. Now you can adjust a minute and second. Last, click on OK when done. When you have done, just click OK. Now next topic is fonts. What are fonts? Fonts are the almost different style of writing character in the text, desired size and displaying them. See class, you know what is the difference between font and handwriting? You are having your own writing. In fact, every person is having his or her own handwriting. We used to write with our own handwriting, or we cannot make change more. Slight change we can make in our handwriting, but whatever handwriting we are having, we cannot make change in them at extreme level. But it is possible to make changes in the text written on computer. How? With the help of font property. Font are different style of writing character or text in the desired size and displaying them. Among popular fonts are Arial, Verdana, Georgia, Cambria. These are the different fonts which are available. Times New Roman, Calibri, etc. Changing the font setting help you to alter the display of the text on the screen and print. Whenever you change the font setting, you can alter means change the display on the text and on the screen, and also print them. The font setting and control panel can help add new font, edit the current font and font style. The different setting is there in control panel, font setting, and from that font setting you can change you can add new fonts, you can edit the current font, and you can also change the size of the font. Let us observe how we are going to do this. Click on the font folder in the control panel. Just click on the font folder which is there in the control panel. Font window will appear. When you will do this, font window will appear. Double click on any given font to view its sample. You can double click on it and you can check any of the font. See, when you will click this, if the control panel, the font will be there and you have to select. Second, in order to add new font, follow the given step. Now if you want to add the new font, click on the drive and pen the folder that contain the font file. Whatever font file you are having, you have just downloaded, you have prepared, just choose the drive. Select the font you wish to add in the list of existing font. Now whatever font you want to select from the list and select OK. Now see, when you will do this, different fonts are there. Inserting deleting font, this sort of dialog box will appear in your computer. It is also possible to delete the existing font. If you don't want a particular font not into your computer, you can also delete it. Click the font you wish to delete. Just click it, the font which you want to delete. Click on delete button above the font thumbnail. Just select the delete button which is there in the font thumbnail, and you can delete the particular font from your window. Now next topic we will continue in the next video. Thanks a lot.